Hi.
Good morning.
What you doing?
Attempting to get the fan out now that we've got it all unplugged. Okay, so that's done. So we're going to measure the radiator today to do a fan shroud so we can keep the engine nice and cool like it's supposed to be. Yeah. Sorry guys, yesterday was a really rough day with it being just me and Xander here now. So yeah. But we're gonna get everything done that we can. Keep you running nice and beautiful, Aaron. And get you taken care of.
And we're currently working on the fuel line.
So that we can get that done from the carburetor to the fuel pump.
That brass fitting there.
Yep.
To that brass fitting there. So you've got to figure out a way to route it so it looks presentable and it works.
Yep. Sorry, we're both absolutely exhausted, guys. I know this is not going to be the best video quality we've done. So kind of bear with us as we wake up this morning. I mean, it's barely a couple of minutes after 7 in the morning. So, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, short, sweet, to the point. We'll see you on the next one.